In this video, I'll be covering the 7 ways you can boost your family's immune system using gardening and nature. Let's get started. Soil contains many beneficial microbes, also known as bacteria. Early exposure to microbes in childhood lead to a strengthened immune system and natural prevention of diseases, even when not exposed later in adult life. Another side effect of this bolstered immune system by bacteria? Mood improvement. It has been found to be as effective as antidepressant drugs. Exposure to soil results in dirty hands and nails. But unlike bacteria, dirt is visible. The habit of scrubbing dirt from the creases in your hands and from under your nails leads to better hand washing form and can drastically assist in preventing the transfer of bacteria and viruses. As great as hand sanitizer is at killing bacteria, it also strips healthy bacteria from your skin's surface and is not as thorough as hand washing with soap. Certain vitamins have been shown to boost the immune system. Fruits and vegetables contain a range of beneficial vitamins and minerals that contribute to this effect. Eating a diet deficient in fruits and vegetables for a duration of just 2 weeks lowers the immune system. There are increased flu-related hospitalizations with low fruit and vegetable consumption. Homegrown fruits and vegetables are frequently more nutrient dense. Why is that? We have control over our soil profiles, and homesteading or home gardens do not typically strip the land the way commercial agriculture does. Commercial agriculture methods that target higher yields are stripping the soil of minerals, leaving less for new plants to absorb. Other theories point to modern hybrid species that have been developed for higher yields, easier handling, better appearance, and marketability at the expense of nutritional content. Most homeowners do not have access to these varieties. Vitamin D is another immune-building vitamin. Being outside in the sun, your body naturally produces vitamin D. Without sufficient vitamin D, T cells of the immune system will not be able to react to or fight off serious infections in the body. Exposure to forests boosts our immune system. While we breathe in fresh air, we breathe in airborne chemicals that plants give off to protect themselves from insects. These have antibacterial and antifungal qualities which help fight disease. When people breathe in these chemicals, our bodies respond by increasing the number and activity of a type of white blood cell called natural killer cells, or NK. These cells kill tumors and viruses that are infected cells in our bodies. One study, increased NK activity from a 3-day, 2-night forest bathing trip lasted for more than 30 days. Getting into nature and the act of gardening are forms of exercise. Regular exercise has a huge positive effect on our natural immunity, T and B cell functions. It also supports the digestive system, which can destroy some bacteria and viruses that we ingest through food. Additionally, sweating during exercise will help the body in its detoxification process. How do you feel after a walk in the woods or an afternoon in the garden? Let me know in the comments below.